Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable sensitive content on TikTok. So let's start our video. So guys, as you can see, there is a restricted mode on my account. So if you want to see sensitive content, all you need to do is to disable that one. So how are you going to do it? Tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, then tap on the three lines here and then go to settings and privacy. You need to scroll a bit where you will find content in display. Under it, you need to go to content preferences. So once you're here, you will find the restricted mode. You need to tap on it. And all you need to do is to turn it off. So once you turn it off, once you tap on turn it off, so the restricted mode is turned off. From now on, TikTok will show you the sensitive content or the explicit content that you want to watch. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.